Racing at Ballyhoe 12.18 as they break away. It's pretty level up towards the first of 4 turns. 2 and 4 in the lead from 5 and 6 on the outer. 1 and 3. Oh, trouble there as 4, 2 and 3 all hampered by trap 1. 5, 1, 6, 4, 2 and 3 as they head up into the second last bend. Ballyhoe Anville from 1 in second place. 6, 4, 3 and 2 at the back of the pack as the 5 Ballyhoe Anville still leads the charge. 1 though pressing up the inner in second. 5 and 1 race towards the line and 5 holds strong. 5 beats 1.